cold morning. It's negative 14 up in northern Minnesota. Unloading some railroad ties. They're for a railroad bridge, so they're bigger than your average railroad tie. They're, I don't know, maybe twice the size, something like that. But anyway, I picked them up in Arkansas. Let's see, the day before yesterday, so it would have been Tuesday morning. And I got up here last night and was able to start unloading at 8 this morning. So once I get this done, I got to go back south from here about 4 hours, something like that, 5 hours, and pick up my next load, which is going to be wood chips. They're going to Minot, North Dakota. After that, we're back on the bees again. We're going to take some bees to California and hopefully stay out of that snow. There's pretty bad weather over there in California. From what I hear, east of the 5 is just like blizzard conditions and 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. So this could be slow going. It's definitely going to suck the fuel, so I'll have a headwind the whole way, and those bees on this trailer sit up higher than my cab, so they definitely drag. But we'll get there, and be 3 loads this week. It's not too bad for as many miles as we covered. So I put a few videos on here and some pictures of my trip so far, and I did get my guitar in the truck, so maybe tonight if I get some free time I'll stop and play you guys a couple songs. But anyway, thanks for subscribing and watching these. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that like button and ring the bell so you get a notification every time that I post a new video. If you don't mind, share it on your social media, let your friends know. And if any of them are into trucking or traveling or even music, just let them know they might like the channel. So again, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, finally got the old guitar. Thought I'd do you guys a song tonight and then upload this video and see what you think. The truck's running, so hopefully it's not picking up that noise, but we'll find out. So this is a song called Proud Souls. Jason Boland did it. I got drunk by myself last night to say it's no way to make things right. I just didn't have anything better to do. Dog was asleep on a living room rug, and I watched a show about crime and drugs. Punched a bottle of bourbon until it was through. And I don't care that I can't sleep, hell, I just assume stay up all week. Might get some things done while others drink. The heater broke and the room got cold, and my knees and ankles say I'm getting cold. Phone finally rang, but it wasn't for me. If everyone was together, I guess no one would be alone. Life's a lot of trade-offs in the end.
Somewhere in the fields of heaven, proud souls laugh and they love together. Somewhere between passion and losing friends. Sleep finally came, but I woke up alone, and my head was next to the telephone. Gave the sun a cuss and as I drew the shades. One thing that seems always true is when I'm hungover, the sky's blue. Rough night for me makes a hell of a day. I believe in ghosts and democracy, and each man should leave us his legacy. Be that man's work great or be it small. I don't believe in everything like the designated hitter or the diamond rings. Make love last forever for one and all. If everyone was together, there's so many left alone. Life's a lot of trade-offs in the end. Somewhere in the fields of heaven, proud souls laugh and they love together. Somewhere between passion and losing friends. Somewhere between passion and losing friends. There you go. That's the first one. So if you guys liked it, let me know. And if you got any requests that's in kind of that red dirt genre, feel free to throw them out there. I might give them a shot. So thanks for sticking around. Thanks for the follows and the likes and the shares and the comments. You guys have a good night. I'm going to bed. It's been a long day. We'll see you next time.